Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Sunday evening, afternoon. I think it's about after 3 right now, and I decided I'm gonna do like a pamper kind of reset for the week. So as you can see, my hair is terrible, like really terrible. Anyways, so I'm gonna pull out this, I'm gonna wash it, but I also want to like treat it because I should be treating my hair and I'm not doing it as often. So I'm outside because I'm gonna cut a piece of my mother's Bible or aloe vera. Most people call it aloe vera, we call it Bible. I say name aloe vera, let's stick to that one. So yes, I found the plant. So yeah, we also have, we call this tuna, but I'm not going to use this one today. I'm gonna stick with aloe vera. So yeah, so that is it for aloe vera plant. And this is starting to stifling. Yeah, so I'm gonna go cut off one leaf off it. Should I cut from the inside, from the outside? Does it matter? That's not snow. See, I want to go in here. I grow. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna cut off this piece here. Right. I thought I'd have to put down the. Look at that goodness. But yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna get this prepared and then put this. So what do you call this? Mega blend it and then put it on my hair. Yeah. And then wash the plates. And after that, then I will. No wasp. After that, then I will something. And I might put some on my face, so who knows. Yeah, I'm gonna blend it up, you know. So I'm gonna now blend this. I'm gonna blend it and then transfer it to something that I can actually carry into my room for the, because this is kitchen stuff. We don't want that. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm gonna transfer it to something. I actually need that to us. Saturated up just a little bit, but we gotta have to let it do. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm gonna steam it for a bit while I wash the plates. So by the time I'm done washing the plates, I'll just wash my hair same time. So yeah, I wanted to put some on my face, but as you guys saw, it was like, look at it, even though there's still a little left in there. So I don't know. Maybe I just rub the like the skin part on my face or something. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that. Like a piece here. I did this in college once, but it scratches, yo. Ow. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this on my face for a few. Probably when it starts scratching, I'm just gonna take it off or something. No. Alright guys, so finally finished the kitchen. This is my hair right now. I'm gonna wash it. So I bought this to try because I need to try and see if I can get rid of these dandruff. The one I was using doesn't really seem to do anything because I'm supposed to actually see a little bit of improvement. That's all. But like, you wash the hair today, in like 2 days, 3 days, it's back. I don't know, probably I'm not using it right. I don't know, but I'm gonna try this one, see what happens. So yeah, bye. Alright guys, so I'm also the shower. I'm gonna see if I can dry my hair. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it as yet. I had a like cane rug back, but then like I would do right, so this would be the size for one at the back. I was gonna do it like split it, then join it both here so on the one. I don't know, but we're gonna see. So we're gonna dry my hair. Oh yes, I bought a new brush yesterday because I had a black one that the little part in here so kept coming out. So I'm like, why not buy a new one? So I have this new brush. I do have another one, you know, but it's kind of finer than that one. So I said I would buy another one just, you know, to replace the other one I had. But yeah. So I'm gonna do that now. Don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know, yeah, people. I'll just focus on drying my hair first, moisturizing and oiling, and then I'll focus on what style I want for the week. Alright guys, so this is what I decided on. I decided to do like the front and then I'll catch up the back, whichever way. Or I can flat iron it and then wear it down, curl it, I don't know. Alright guys, so no mind them something get rid of something. Oh my god, it's so anyways, so a part of my reset for the week, I want to get organized for this week because last week guys, a lot of things, no, last week and the other week actually, everything just went off, but especially last week. And I think it was because I did not write up anything. Well, I wrote up some stuff, but actually no, this was the week before. Last week I didn't write up anything at all. So what I want to do is write my to-do list, right, what I have to be done. Because like last week, me did just feel like in my head me have a lot of things to do, but really and truly I had nothing that much to do. So what I want to do is write up my to-do list of all the things I want to do, write up my weekly things I want to do for the week, and then we'll go from there because I have to go iron. I didn't iron, so normally I iron like a month, but the clothes are not last week. We're supposed to iron for like the next month, but time catch up. So right now I'm just gonna look at clothes for tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do the big ironing. So yeah, I'm gonna write up my to-do list now, and then we'll talk after. So that's my general to-do list. Now I'm gonna do the ensure I have like what's for school, and then my weekly thing I'm gonna plan out as well. So let's get that done. Whenever I think of anything else, this is kind of full because I cannot do them. So I have evaluations for grade 8 for all grades, so just write it out. So when I'm done with one grade, I'll just tick so it actually looks like I did a lot. So yeah, that's not too bad. And then this is just the general. So these are the one that is broken up into. So yes. My guys gonna do my toes and then my fingers. I'll put a color up on it just to put nail hardener. Yeah. So guys, toes are finished. Great color. For my nails, I have on this, what do you call it? A nail hardener, because my nail keeps breaking, so trying to see if I can stop that. So yeah. I also packed my bag, and right now I'm going to just go to bed. So I think that's gonna be it for the reset vlog. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.